Hi, this is Christal Earle, and I'm the founder of Brave Souls. I wanted to take a moment and tell you about how amazing our work with PageFly has been and how much they've added to our store and to our brand over the years. We were some early adopters of PageFly back when they first started. And when you first start using a page builder app, it can be very intimidating and it can look very different from anything that you've used before. And their customer service was excellent then, and it's super excellent now. We never have to wait for any kind of response. The team is always super friendly and available. They even send cute emojis when they respond. We love it. They've helped us really increase our SEO through the pages that we've built. We've been able to really change how all the things about our template that we love. There's things about our template that we love, but there's things about it that have really frustrated us, probably like you've experienced the same thing with yours. And so being able to use PageFly has been really great. And I just want to say thank you to them, because they're a really great team and they've made it affordable for smaller stores on Shopify to be able to create what you want and what you wish your theme had, and to be able to do it with excellence and with some inspiration. And it's just so simple. So thanks for all that you do.